Hi class, let's take a look at problem 17. Now problem 17, they're going to want us to expand the log. At the moment, it's basically as a single log. And the first rule that we're going to use is technically the power rule. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to distribute the 4 to each of the actual bases and exponents. So at this point, I'm just going to rewrite it as the log of, and this will be a to the 8th power, b to the 12th, c to the 20th. Whoops, let me fix this one. And then e to the, that's going to be a 214. Let me fix the 20. Okay, next, because we have technically a ratio here, I'm going to use the quotient rule and technically express it as a subtraction of logs. So this is going to be equivalent to the log of a to the 8th, b to the 12th, c to the 20th minus the log of e to the 14th. Now, the next step, I'm going to actually separate those logs, and we're going to be using the product rule. So if you have multiplication of values inside of a log, you can express it as a sum. So this is going to make a little bit of a mess. So let me just rewrite it in here. And this is going to be equivalent to the log of a to the 8th plus the log of b to the 12th plus the log of c to the 20th minus the log of e to the 14th. And in the last step, we're just going to use the power rule. And what this is going to do is it's going to basically drop all of the actual exponents and express them as constants in front of the log. So that's going to actually be our final answer. So we're going to end up with this being equivalent to 8 log of a plus 12 log of b plus 20 log of c minus 14 log of e. And at this point, that's going to be our final answer. That's pretty much it for this problem, as they want us to expand the log. And in this case, we're expressing a single log as sums and technically differences of logs.